What's up people? Mr. Sam here. Niaje wazee, Wakenya wenzangu, Mr. Sam hapa once again. Just want to remind you, the album launch After the Rain is around the corner, people. 7 days away, just 7 days, and we'll be there. Just make sure you're there at 5 p.m. on Saturday. That's a Memorial Weekend. Be there on time, cause that place will be packed, and you might miss some space if you come too late. So please be there on time, 5 p.m., and you get the best space. Who's gonna be there? I have a surprise for you, and I'll release it right now. Comfy DJ from Tennessee will be there. Miss J, ATL, will be there. DJ Chase Mode from Maryland will be there. Hey, and guess who else? Shackles Free Entertainment from right here in Raleigh. Just don't miss that. They are the best people in Raleigh who can come and just bless you with music. Shackles Free Entertainment will be there. Apostle Paul Wodrusek from Kerry Praise Church will be there with the band. The whole band from his church will be right there. So don't miss that. And guess who else? Alemba. DJ Mo, make me a heaven member, say. I say again, Alemba, a heaven member, will be there from where? From all the way from Kenya, all the way to North Carolina, just for the launch, man. Just here for the launch. Be there. Man, guess what? DJ J, CEO Badilika DJs from ATL will be there, and many more artist people, many more artists. Guess what? That's a ticket. Buy one for $10 right now. Call 919-291-0737 to reserve your ticket. $10 per head. We got group specials too. Just call me. If you're 5 of you, we'll give you a good deal. And guess what? The address: 3329 Forestville Road, Raleigh, North Carolina. The zip code 27616. Again, 3329 Forestville Road, Raleigh, North Carolina, 27616. Album After the Rain. So like an ego, people. Boom!